Protecting your business with digital HR records is a game changer when it comes to maintaining organization, security, and efficiency. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can do that and make your business more secure. Stick around till the end because I've got a solution that could save you hours of admin work, and it's available to you for free through an exclusive offer. More on that later. First, let's talk about why protecting your business with digital HR records is so important. Imagine your employee data, contracts, performance reviews, tax forms, all in one place, accessible and secure. It's not just about convenience, but about safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access. If you're still storing employee data on paper or in scattered files, you're leaving yourself open to risks like data breaches, human error, or even legal trouble. Digital records reduce those risks by keeping everything organized and protected with strong encryption. Now, let's walk through the steps to make sure your business is fully protected with digital HR records. The first step is choosing the right software. You'll need a platform that's secure, scalable, and user-friendly. After testing out the most popular HR software options, I've found that our recommended software offers robust security features like encryption, automatic backups, and restricted access. The software we're using also supports various file formats, so you can store everything from documents to images or spreadsheets. Once you've selected your software, the next step is uploading your current employee data. This might feel like a tedious process at first, but the software we're using allows for bulk uploads and even auto-import features to speed things up. Organizing your files into clear folders for things like employee contracts, tax forms, and performance reviews will save you time later. Now, here's a key part of protecting your business: setting up user permissions. With digital HR records, you can control who has access to what. You don't want everyone in your company having access to sensitive data, so restrict access based on roles. For example, managers might need access to performance reviews, but only HR should be able to see contracts and salary details. Setting up proper permissions is crucial for ensuring that only the right people are accessing confidential information. Next, let's talk about data security. You should be backing up your HR records regularly, preferably automatically. This way, if anything goes wrong, you can easily restore your records without any major disruptions. Most digital HR software solutions offer automated backup options, so you won't have to worry about forgetting to do it manually. Another major point is compliance. With laws and regulations around employee data becoming stricter, you must ensure your software helps you stay compliant. The right digital HR software will generate reports and keep you updated on any legal changes, ensuring that your business remains in good standing. Finally, don't forget about training your team. Implementing a new system can be a big change for your business, so make sure to properly train anyone involved in managing or accessing HR records. Having clear guidelines and workflows in place will help streamline the transition and avoid any mishaps. Key takeaway: protecting your business with digital HR records is not only about security, but about efficiency and compliance. Choose the right software, upload your data, set user permissions, back up your records regularly, and stay compliant. This can make a massive difference in how your business operates and how you handle sensitive employee information. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel and will allow you to follow along with these steps. In short, if you want to protect your business with digital HR records, it's time to upgrade and make the switch. Don't wait until it's too late. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.